Why does your scanner show the P0402 engine code? What does it mean? P0402 is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust gas recirculation, EGR, flow excessive detected. This engine code indicates that this means the vehicle's computer has detected more exhaust gas being recirculated into the engine than it expects. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: EGR valve issues, differential pressure sensor problems, clogged EGR passage. Other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford F-150S and Toyota Prados. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.